It has 6 campsites and 4 kilometers of hiking trails.
Who lives
The
there?
main Flower Pot Island comes from 2 pillars of rock standing on its eastern shore.
Uncle Mario!
Cruising alongside in a few minutes.
Your mom is right down there.
Small animals such as snowshoe hare, red squirrels, fox, and otters. Occasionally, blue and coyotes will cross out open ice in winter months.
They said we could see otters. Look at that. Who lives there?
Why are you asking me? I just felt that when we were just.
How you would know? Hello. I want to live there.
Around my
This is the Flower Pot Island Lighthouse Keeper Station. It was established in 1897. The lighthouse keepers always maintained a large farm and occasionally some livestock. One even kept a cow on the island, with a nearby cave used as a fruit cellar. Today, this site is managed by a volunteer group, the Friends of Bruce District Parks. They operate a snack bar and a museum out of a 2-story building. Washroom facilities are available here. The hike from the dock takes about 30 minutes.
So, could we stop and go? Can we go? I want to go. Look at that tower.
Oh, look at that cave.
Oh, wow, look at that. It's a cave.
To our right is the walkway used by the lighthouse keepers to tend to the light up on the bluff. The original wooden lighthouse was replaced in 1969 by the Coast Guard to make room for the structure we have today. The earliest lighthouse keepers lived in a small home next to the light on the bluff. The foundation of the original home now serves as the observation deck, which you can access using the walkway.
I want to stop. I really want to go to the mountain. What? Wow. Let me spot some otters. Let me see some otters. There's some otters in there. I see otters. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Wait, do we get to stop?
Your car.
Can we go there? Look at that. Look at that.
Are we stopping? No, we're stopping. Mom? 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 Are we stopping or something? Are we going on the island?
Oh my god. How did they get there?
They separated from the escarpment behind. 12,000 years ago, the water level was 100 meters higher
Get
than
there.
it is today.
Yeah.
It's estimated that the water level within the past 2,000 years.
Wow, look at that. And then there's a flower. Yes, we did. Like 3 years ago. Yeah, that's
If you look at the top right corner of the large flower pot, you will see the profile of a face.
Oh yeah!
According
Oh
to
my God!
Ojibwe legend, the profile is of a warrior looking out over Georgian Bay.
I felt like it was falling for a second. That actually looks so cool. Don't tell me you're going back.
No.
Don't go back. Oh wow. What's happening there?
So this part is like wavy. That part is like smooth. Hi, mommy. Mom. 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 Mom.